I really want to talk about this one experience I had, because it was pretty cool. So I took this course. It was the endangered species course, the marine endangered species course. And there was a lady that came from London, and she works with BBC, and BBC is like the TV channel that shows like documentaries and like brings awareness and stuff. So in that class, we had confiscated pectoral fins from sharks, because when somebody or anybody like tries to fly out fins, um, the airport called my teacher Sebastian, and he was able to take them and use them for educational purposes. So that lady came to Veritas, and she was actually recording us, and she's conducting a movie for BBC. So I'm pretty sure that me and a few of my ISU friends will be on that BBC video. Um, and it was pretty interesting because it really brings awareness. It was like that video showed us like examining the pectoral fins, identifying the pectoral fins, like DNA analysis. Um, I don't know, it was just an overview of like why this is bad, and it'll be aired soon, I'm assuming. Once I get the link, I can't wait to watch it. Um, that class is definitely like something that brings awareness to everybody, because we discussed plastic usage. One of our field work, we went and to this beach. It was a fairly popular beach close to Nicaragua, and we did a coastal cleanup. We were supposed to actually snorkel and like dive because into the water and pick up trash from there, because next to it is a resort, and they don't care about the waste that's dumped into our ocean. So we were supposed to dive and get trash from the bottom of the seafloor, but the water was too murky due to jet skiing and beachgoers walking on the sand. But we saw suggested that we clean up the sand like without the water, just like a little coastal cleanup. And within 5 minutes, we collected a ton of trash. It was ridiculous that within that amount of time, it was honestly no more than 5 minutes, we collected like 200 cigarette butts, straws, stuff like that. And it kind of made my heart happy. It didn't make my heart happy that there was that much trash, but it made my heart happy that within 5 minutes you can make a big difference like that. And I encourage all of you guys, Costa Rica or not, Florida, Chicago beaches, because recently I went to one of the Chicago beaches, and I saw how much trash there is, and boy, did my heart break because it was ridiculous. So all of us all over the world, whether it's a beach, by the ocean, by a lake, anywhere, I encourage you guys to dedicate like 5 minutes of your time and do a cleanup, because I assure you, if everybody dedicates 5 minutes of their time, the world will be a cleaner place. And if we do that, I guarantee you there will be change. So that was one of the pluses that I really liked in my trips. That we actually did a lot of cleanups, and some of them were not suggested by the teachers. Some of them just the students suggested it. So yeah, something I loved I did in Costa Rica, and for that I'm forever grateful.